Good morning, everybody. I just wanted everyone to know that we are good. We did not lose power in the storms last night. The dust was terrible. Going out to take Serbs to go potty was just whew, with all the dust. And I'm not well, as you can hear in my voice. Mr. Fiber has been sick for about 3 days now. He did run fever with his. I have not run fever, um, so that's good. But I just want y'all to know, if you don't see me for a couple of days, it's because I'm miserable with what he got. Okay, I love y'all. Just letting you know I'm okay. I hope you guys are okay. And I will see you as soon as I can. Okay? Love y'all. Have fun today.